Okay, students, we are in the lesson rational number. So, rational number you are learning very nicely. Hope so. You have done all the operations of rational number. Remain with what problems related to rational number, and there are there are some aspects also how to insert some rational number between two given rational numbers. I will give a little concept of irrational number also, how to insert irrational number between two given irrational number, that is in class 9 syllabus, though you children are smart enough, so we can discuss a little bit ahead. Okay, fine. So we will discuss today the word problems of rational number. Fine. You have done all this thing when you are done fractions in your previous standard. I have said you time and again. So from your exercise 1D, page number in 26 and 27, I have taken few questions. Question number 6 I have taken. Question number 6 said to you, directly I didn't write down the question here. Directly I have done the solution. See, it is given to you, there are some quantities of fruits. Altogether, total quantities of food is given to you, total weight of the food is given to you, that is 25 1 by 10, that is 25 whole 1 by 10, which is equal to 251 by 10 kg. Total quantities of fruit, that is total weight of fruit. Out of the three types of fruits given separately in kg, but all those kg fractional. Could you understand me? So apple, quantity of apple, weight of apple is given to you 3 whole 1 by 5 kg. That is, if you convert that in proper fraction, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 by 5 kg. This is apple quantity. Now weight of orange, that is quantity of orange, is 6 whole 1 by 2 kg, which is equal to 6 to the 12 plus 1 13 by 2 kg. And another type of fruit is given to you, that is grapes. Quantity of grapes is 7 whole 3 by 10 kg, which is equal to 7 tens are 70 plus 3 73 upon 10 kg. So these are the three types of fruits weight given to you. What you need to do, what is the question given to you? Weight of the fourth type of fruits in the total weight. So the fourth type of food is mango. So you weight of these three you find out first. So weight of the quantity, total quantity of these three fruits, that is apple, orange and grapes, are 16 upon 5 plus 13 upon 2 plus 73 upon 10. If you add these three fractions, then 10 will be the LCM, because the denominator is 5, 2 and 10. So denominator's LCM will be 10 only. 5 divided by 10, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, 2 into 16 is 32. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, 5 into 13 is equal to 65. Now 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1, 1 into 73, 73. So numerator will be 32 plus 65 plus 73, and denominator obviously it's 10. So if you add all this numerator, you will find 170. 170 divided by 10 kg will be the weight of these three types of food, that is 17 kg. 170 divided by 10 is 17. So 17 kg is the weight of apple, orange and grapes. Now total weight is given to you 25 or 1 by 10 kg. So that becomes 25 tens are 250 plus 1 251 by 10 kg. This is the total weight of all the four types of fruits. Therefore weight of the mango will be, from the total weight you will have to subtract this 17 kg. This is the leftover will be obviously mango, because there are four kinds of fruits. So if you subtract, 10 will be the LCM. Here 17 by 1 obviously. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 into 251 is 251. But 10 divided by 1 is 10 only. 10 into 70 is 170. So 251 minus 170 by 10 kg, which you further will be 81 upon 10 kg. 81 by 10 kg will be the weight of the mango, which you convert into mixed number. It will be 8 whole 1 by 10 kg. So 8 whole 1 by 10 kg is the mango over there among the total weight of 251 upon 10 kgs. Could you understand? That is what is the answer asked you. Now I didn't solve all the questions. You did not. I did not to do all these things, because you children are smart and I will be able to. So I have taken question number 6. Question number 6 said to you the distance, as when the distance, time and speed, three concepts comes, no, things are very easy. You know the formula. I have done 2-3 years continuously about this thing. Distance is equal to speed into time, speed is equal to distance by time, and time is equal to distance by speed. This is all you know. So what you need to do, distance covered with 1 liter of petrol is 21 whole 1 by 4 kilometer. So that is the distance covering by 1 liter of petrol. Could you understand? So that one, if you convert into mixed number, it will be 21 4s are 84, 84 plus 1, 85 by 4 kilometer. Now distance it will cover with this much liter. So obviously more petrol you are adding, more distance it will cover, so it will be multiplied. So this 5 whole 1 by 5 liter is equal to 26 by 5 liter. If you 5 5 are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5 liter. See, so how much distance it will cover? From the previous distance, this will be multiplied because quantity of petrol is more. Here it was 1 liter, here it is 26 by 5 liter. So 84 5 by 4 into 26 by 5, if you solve it, no, then 5 will be 5 can divide 85, 17. 17 into 26 will be 221 by 17 into 30 will be 200. 13 will be 4 will be cancelled with this thing. It will be 2 and is 13, and here it will cancel, and 17. 17 into 13 is 221 by 2. Can you see? 221 by 2 kilometer per kilometer is the distance coverage, which you convert into mixed number. It will be 110 whole 1 by 2 kilometer. That much distance it will cover in 5 whole 1 by 5 liter of petrol. With that much of petrol. Okay, now question number 10, I have taken once again distance, speed and time sum. Distance is given to you, that is 901 whole 4 by 5 kilometer. Now that one, if you convert into again improper fraction, they multiply this, it will be 4505 plus 4509 by 5 kilometer. The distance is given to you. The speed is given to you 125 kilometer per hour. 125 whole 1 by 4 kilometer per hour, which is equal to 501 by 4 kilometer per hour. If you convert this one into improper fraction, 125 into 4 will be 500 plus 1, 501 by 4. Okay, now you need to find out the time taken. So time taken formula will be distance by speed. So time formula is, I have written once, distance by speed. Now time taken will be, distance is this much and speed is this much. Distance divided by speed. I wrote in this format. I didn't write down in a fractional format. That also you can do. That will be a complex fraction. Complex fraction, if you reverse it, then you will find it. Okay, fine. This, and then this will be reciprocal. 5 into 5 by 501 it will be. So 4509 by 5 into 4 by 501. That is what. So you cancel 501 9 times is 4509. Very nice. And then so on top it will be 9 into 4, that is 36 by, denominator will be 5. 36 by 5 hour it will reach. So 36 by 5 hour is equal to 7 whole 1 by 5 hour. The time it will take for that we can equal to 7 whole 1 by 5 hour. Okay, moving on to question number 13. Question number 13 said to you, that's a very good question. Ravi is one fellow, he had a rational number. The teacher said Ravi to multiply that given rational number with 2 by 2 by 3. So he listened wrong, or in his subconscious mind, he multiplied the given rational number by 2 by 9 instead of 2 by 3. He has multiplied that rational number with 2 by 9. Then what has happened? Whatever the answer he has come, that is minus 3 whole 1 by 5 more than the true answer. Could you understand? So what will be the rational number teacher has given to him? That's a very good question. Like this, condition will be given to in the statement. You will have to comply to the condition strictly, and you will have to do the operation accordingly. Could you understand? So you do not know the rational number, then definitely from class 8 onwards and all, if you do not know something, no, it is always better to solve, you take that one as a variable x. Okay, so let the rational number to which row we need to multiply be x. The rational number row we have, teacher has given is x. X by 1, you can the rational number I am telling, so x by 1 I should say, I will not take x by 1 because x is a standard form. So x, so multiplying x by 2 by 3, what will be the correct answer? Multiplying x by 2 by 3, product is x into 2 by 3, that is 2x by 3, isn't it? X, 2 into x, 3 into 1, 2x by 3. That will be actually the correct answer will become 2x by 3. But what Ravi did? By mistake, Ravi multiplied by 2 by 9. So therefore his answer came x into 2 by 9, because the same rational number he multiplied. No, so x is the rational number you have taken. So x into 2 by 9, 2x by 9. This is the wrong answer. What is the condition given to you? By condition 2 by 9, his answer will be minus 3 whole 1 by 5 more than the correct answer. Correct answer is this, 2x by 3. So 2x by 3 plus, this is more. More means plus, you know that. So this will be his answer. Could you understand me? Otherwise you can very well do it as 2 minus 2x by 9 minus 2x by 3 is equal to minus 3 whole 1 upon 3. But to make you to go with the condition strictly, I have framed this. His answer will be the true answer plus this. Could you understand? Now just solve it. 2x by 9, x you transpose to the left hand side, always you do it, and right side if you say always the most of the time the other part to find out the variable x value. So that you have done is equal to this one. If you solve it, 3 5s are 15, minus 1 16, minus 16 by 5. This is the rational number. Now if you do this thing, no, the 9 will be the LCM. So 9 divided by 9 is 1, 2x. 2x will be for this part. For this part, divide 9 by 3 to be 3. 3 2s are 6x. So minus 6x. So 2x minus 6x by 9 is equal to minus 16 by 15. So minus 4x. If you subtract numerator 2x from minus 6x, then you will find minus 4x by 9 is equal to minus 16 by 5. See, this one is minus 4x by 9. This one is minus 16 by 5. So now what you do? No, minus 4x you keep it. Say 9 that side. So it is divided here to go multiply, cross multiplication. So minus 4 is minus 16 into 9 by 5, isn't it? I hope you have understood it. So x will be again minus 4, you transpose this side, whatever it was there, from there minus 4 was divided. So it will be multiplied, divided here. So minus 16 into 9 by 5 into minus 4. If you cancel minus 4 with this will become 4 only, altogether 4 plus 4. So 4 into 9 is 36 by 5. 36 by 5 is the rational number we took for doing the multiplication. Could you understand? So I hope you have understood it. Now moving on to the last question. Last question I picked. It is always good, no? All that ends, all that well that ends well, isn't it? So I have picked the last question. So what is given to you is that there is a rope. Entire length of the rope is given to you, that is 62 whole 1 by 2, 62.5 meter length, entire rope. But that rope, length of a piece is cut from that rope. How much is cut? The length cut is equal to 15 whole 1 upon 5. So that one length is cut. So naturally, how much will be remaining? Whatever it was given from there, you have to subtract this length, you will find the remaining length. So that is what you have done. Length left over will be 125 by 2. That 62 whole 1 by upon 2 is equal to 125 by 2 meter, minus this one 15 whole 1 upon 5 is equal to 15 5s are 75 into plus 1, 76 by 5 meter. So if you subtract from here, you will find the leftover length. So if you do the subtraction, 10 will be the LCM. So cross multiplication, 125 just 625 and 276 will be 152 meter. So this one, if you numerator, if you subtract, then you will find 473 meter by 10. That is the length left over, remaining rope length after being cut off of 15 whole 1 upon 5 meter. So this is left over that have been cut into 11 equal pieces. So what will be the length of each piece? Definitely whatever the leftover is that divided by 11. So this much meter rope cut into 11 equal parts, that is parts written. So therefore length of each equal part will be 473 by 10 divided by 11, 473 by 10 into 1 by 11, because this is divisor fraction, divisor rational number, that will be reciprocal. So if you do it, then 43 by 10, because 11 can cancel this one. 4 11s are 44, then 44 below 47, so 3 and 3 33, 3 11s are so 33, 43 by 10, this is 43 by 10 meter is equal part. So it will be 4 whole 3 by 10 meter. I hope you understood all these sums, and remaining sums you will be able to do very nicely without any problem. Of course, problem is there, I am always there with you.